So now it's time to test our forgotten password and email reset link for how we can reset our password, how it works, and how Laravel use the password reset methodology. And first, we will understand the process, the way of Laravel behaving or Laravel working with how it use the password reset and how it show the password email link. So when we will click on forget password, you see we received a forget password uh, page. So here we will give our email address and we will send our password reset link. So how from where this page is come. So let's go to our application. So in our application, so we have a views, and under views, uh, auth, and this email function, email file. So where from it comes from our controller. So remember that in our root list, so in enter PHP artisan root list, so all the root that are created in your application will be shown. So when we created our scaffolding, so the Laravel so create these some roots for our authentication. So in our password, so see get password reset link. So when we are in our page, so you see the URI. So root URI is password reset link reset. So it is password reset. It used in method root method, which is a password dot request, and it goes to controller auth forget password controller and to show link request form. So this form that is we are seeing is how it's from coming from forget password controller. And let's check our forget password controller. This controller is using the middleware guest, because we have to show this page to guest, and it using this send password reset email. So this is using this trade. So copy it, control P, and we will deep it, we'll go deep and paste it and check. So in a public function show link request form. So show link request form, middleware web and guest. So auth password email, and here in our view, so we have auth password email dot blade dot php, which is this file that we are accessing. Okay, so when we show it, and we will enter that email address post, and when we send request, so it will go the post request. We are submitting a form. So when we submit our form, so the post request password email is a post request, and it will goes to controller auth forget password controller and send reset link email. So further, if we go deep into send password, send reset, what is send reset link email. So where it will send reset link email. So you see send reset link email. So when we submit our form with email, so it goes to the forget password controller and send reset link email. So it will use this send request. So email will become to this request, and it will validate. If the email is not valid, so it will send a response, and with the response, some of the response with only email. So if it is validate email function validate email, so this validate request email required email. So if this is not the correct email, so it will send the error message with the status. So this will function send reset link response. So it will send the response back to the view file, so with the status, and either it is not a correct email, or it is a either not is or duplicate already. So what else the error it will show with this status, and we can see when we are in our view file of email, send email increase, so we have a session status and div class alert success. So it will show the alert success. If the status is danger, so it will show the danger session and error message. So in a successful mode, so when it is a successful email, it will show the status that your email link has been sent. So check your email, you can find the link. Okay. So, and what the message that we, when we reset, so we will we have submit our password. Okay, let's come to our root. So so when we submit our email, so it will go to this route, password reset token and reset password controller, show reset farm. So it will show the farm. So to enter your password and new password, so it will accept it and it will match the token that it will send it through the password reset. So when the password is reset, it will, you can log in. So this is the way that so the email message that goes to when you enter your email goes. So when we enter our email, send password reset link. So it will email the link of the password reset with the token. And when we click on the email token link, so it will ask you to put new password and enter it. So when we submit it, the message, what message goes to your email? So where from it the message comes, and we can further go deep in our Laravel. So we can find it, the source where from the email will generate. Okay, in a vendor and Laravel framework, source, illuminate, auth, and under notification, so reset password. So when we see click on reset password, so this email, this message will be sent through notification to your email address. So line will be, you are receiving this email because we received a password reset request from your account, and action is reset password. So URL that will be sent to click on this URL and you can reset password. So it will get URL from config file app.url, that the URL that you have set in your app config. So it will access, and the root will be password reset. And when we get the password reset link, we will enter our password, new password, and submit it, and it will go to your dashboard. It will take to your dashboard. Okay. Oh, okay. This URL from what is this app.url? So we can find it in our config. Let's close me the vendor. We can close the controller in our config app, and in the app we will set our URL. So this is on a local server, so we have a local host. So when this application goes live, so you have to give the URL of your domain. So suppose www.onlinerana.com. So this URL will send through a password. So when the email come from the password reset link, so it will like password and reset and slash the token with the password link. So control Z and come to the old one, localhost, save it. Okay, so here's the password and email reset link will work in the next video. So before moving to the next video, let me take this opportunity to add our access error. So errors and has email. So email, so ternary operator, give string has error. If it is true, so show the this class has error colon empty space. If it is not, so show the empty array. And here we have to close this angle bracket. So save it. Okay. In the next video, we will set our environmental file to configure our email setting, and we will check that functionality. So stay tuned.